The Avengers 4 trailer is fastly approaching, and now we have an official release time so you guys can all be awake and aware when it posts online. Real quick though, this is one of your last chances to enter the Infinity Gauntlet giveaway. Again, all you have to do to enter is like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for the YouTube channel, as well as tell me in the comments below what your favorite Marvel film is. It was officially announced today that the Avengers 4 trailer will be posting 9 AM EST tomorrow. That means if you're in Pacific time, the trailer will be posting at 6 AM. Central time will be 8 AM, and Mountain time will again be 7 AM. If you're not sure what time zone you're in, a simple Google search will tell you. All you need for yourself to figure out what time the trailer will be premiering your time is to know that it's premiering at 9 AM EST. Again, the official release date for the Avengers 4 trailer will be December 7th, Friday at 9 AM EST. I know this video is short, but I know a lot of people were wondering exactly what time the trailer would be out, and now we know for sure. If you don't know where to watch it, it will be on the Marvel Entertainment YouTube channel. I will also link that in the description down below. Let me know what you guys want to see in the trailer, and how excited are you to finally get the teaser for Avengers 4. Again, as always, enter the Gauntlet giveaway, subscribe to join the team, and have a great day.